Hey guys, welcome back to DX14 Studios. I have an unboxing. I have some cool stuff from Citizens Brick. Citizens Brick. They used to do decals, now they do printing, which is awesome. Well, I don't know. I think they used to do decals. A lot of people used to. And this is what I got. So, yeah, I got two faces there. Got two helmets and that. And that's about it, I believe. Not really that big of an order today, but I will show you guys figures that are being created today. Yeah. So, let me just get the stuff. Yeah. Alright, guys. So, oh shit, he's missing his gun. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Alright, so, this is one of the figures he's gonna have. Probably, if you guessed by now, gray gun. The gray saw. So I'm just gonna see how he looks with that one. Having difficulties. So this is what he looks like. Not that. This is what he looks like now. Like him. Probably actually. I'll show you guys what else I have. Let's put this figure together. Just because this video is kinda short. Put together a figure, I guess. Even though this is mostly gonna be black. That's the wrong one. Help if I put on the right one, I guess. Oh wait, no, that is the right one. I don't know if I'll keep him like this. Probably give him back the, If you want to know what set this body and the torso, it's from Ray's Speeder. It's a good set. Buy it. If you guys want to. I'm not. It's a cool set. I like it. But we're not here for Star Wars, although it is a cool set. I would buy it. Just because, you know, it's cool and whatnot. Yeah. So, peace, guys.